It's a big deal, no? Kasi especially with the stigma, like here sa Philippines, parang lagi siyang issue, and I really hate it. Kasi tao lang naman eh, tao lang naman din yung pinoportray ko, and ang daming angulo na wala namang mali.
Iniisip mo ba na pwedeng magkaroon ng spin-off yung Senior High, tapos ang focus naman ay you and si Jan's character?
Kasi if gusto po nilang gumawa ulit ng season 2 or spin-off, I'm super down. No doubt, I'm down.
Para sa'yo, ano yung importansya na nagiging yung character mo ay pinoportray ang miyembro ng Rainbow community?
It's a big deal, no? Kasi especially with the stigma, like here sa Philippines, parang lagi siyang issue, and I really hate it. Kasi tao lang naman eh, tao lang naman din yung pinoportray ko, and ang daming angulo na wala namang mali. So at the same time po, mas kumbaga sana bigyan lang ng chance, hear them out, because they go through what Poch did go through. People messages me like sa social media that they also went through the same thing, which is parang yun po yung nakakataba lalo ng work, na nakaka-motivate, nakaka-inspire, kasi parang they can relate to my character without me. Like ako lang, ginagawa ko lang po kasi yung character, at the same time then I get the feedback na they went through the same thing, which is that's the benefit of me having the privilege to tell their story in front of the camera. So yun po, sana bigyan po natin ng chance na hear them out, because there's nothing wrong with it.
So meron ka pa bang character na gusto mong i-portray para mailabas mo yung ganyan advocacy mo na? Siguro bigyan pa ng mas more of ibang angulo naman sa angulo ni Poch. For sure there's a lot of different specifics ng story po sa LGBT natin na community. It's being an ally, it's been crazy because sobrang lumawak yung isip ko, especially with considering everyone's feelings. Not walang gender po talaga. Everyone and anyone's feelings. Sobrang importante po talaga yun.
So, you said na you're down to portraying characters, lalo na yung mga dark characters.
Yeah.
What for you is a good character?
Good role? Siguro rom-com, like mga rom-com, like with John Lloyd dun, that's really what amazes me, na lahat ng i-pair up sa kanya nag-work. May chemistry lagi. Sobrang hirap nun kasi iba't iba, wala kang love team, pero everyone na i-pair up sa'yo nag-work, may magic.